Delta to Calais. Scurvy names are extra scurvy on the 6th of January. All because it's topsy-turvy day. Come on, hurry, hurry. Here's your chance, see the mystery and romance. Come on, see the finest assembly enough. Too pretty, disgusting, impossible. Try again next year. Yes.
It's Quasimodo.
The bell ringer.
It's the bell ringer from Notre Dame.
So it is. It really is him.
Ladies and gentlemen, do not panic. We asked to find this year's King of Fools, and now here he is, Quasimodo, the bell ringer of Notre Dame. Hail to the King!
Long live the king!
Master, please help me!
Sir, request permission to stop.
Mr. Frollo, I'm placing you and your families under arrest. If you are innocent, what you say is true, and you will have nothing to fear. Burn it.
What?
Until it smolders, these people are traitors and must be made examples of.
With all due respect, sir, I was not trained to murder the innocent.
But you were trained to follow orders.
Not the orders of a madman.
Insolent coward. Find the girl. If you have to burn the city to the ground, so be it.
Hurry, Esmeralda! Hurry!
Quasimodo!
You'll be safe in here. Sunshine! Sunshine!
Captain, seize the cathedral. Cowards, pick up that beam, break down the door.
Citizens of Paris, Frollo has declared war on Notre Dame herself. We will be allowed.
Hey, looks like the cavalry's here.
Again! It's your back, St. George.
Esmeralda, we've done it! We've beaten them back! Wake up, Esmeralda, you're safe now. Esmeralda? Oh no, you killed her!
It was my duty. Horrible as it was. Now, listen to me.
No, you listen! All my life you told me that the world was a dark and cruel place. Now I see the only thing dark and cruel about it is people like you.
They're fair, Quasimodo. I know.